Mucemanio uria utongoretio ni Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Kumicha urongoreirie gukinyiria muingi motungata ma ugima wa mwiri wa gikiro kia iguru rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa marihi ma thibitari kugerera SHIF uria na hau kabere uratabanagio kuhitukira NHIF.
So what we want to do with SHA is to move towards highest standard, because as it is now we are providing healthcare services, but we want to ensure that at least it's of the highest standard.
As we shift from NHIF, from NHIF to SHA, then we want to have strategic procurement entity, the SHA, to remove any financial barrier in healthcare facilities.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa urigitani Dagitari Patrick Amoth, ugete mutaratara uyu mweru ugukuruhania motungata ma bata kuri muingi makiria hoka ni kugiririria ikuo cia ciana iria iraciarwo undu uria utarahetwo uritu ni mutaratara wa na hau kabere.
I want to state categorically that family planning is part of the benefit package. Family planning is critical for reducing maternal mortality, and actually family planning, Kenya has made great strides. Our modern contraceptive prevalence rate stands at about 59-60%. which is very, very high for a developing country.
Susan Nakumicha ateterithitie ati tabarira ino igutwarithia na mbere motungata maya kuhitukira njira cia kiriu kuma kwiyandikithia iria thirikari rungu rwa ministry yake iri matinaini ma muthia gutigirira ati niguthukira kigina kiiganu gia gutwarithia na mbere tabarira ino niguo kuguna muingi ta imwe ya itugi cia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
The only way we can link this is through digitization. That's why we want to deploy an interoperable system where health workers can link to it, can be recognized as they provide a service. Some patients have been treated on behalf of others. So now with digitization, it is expected that you are correctly identified as you receive a service.
Girifo Tereinoro TV, Retoria kwani Waithira wa Duati.